In this movie I will show the use of different accelerators, like Alt, Control and Shift in assembly. 3 accelerators will be explained, all 3 for a new assemble command. If you want to place the same part again, hold down the Control key, select the component with the left mouse button, and drag and drop the component. To rotate the component, first hold down the Control and Alt keys. Then place the cursor over the component, press the left mouse button, and move the mouse. If you don't want NX to recognize any assembly constraints, simply hold down the Alt key while dragging the component. Do you know any other interesting assembly accelerators? Please, leave a comment. If you stayed with me until the end, please subscribe, or like, and have a nice day.